Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this ribbed half double crochet stitch that looks very much like knitting. So let's get started. To crochet this easy stitch, start with a foundation chain of any number. So to make your foundation chain, pick up the yarn with the hook and pull it through. Okay, I started with a foundation chain, and you'll work a regular half double crochet across the row. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook. And to begin, I'm just going to skip 2 stitches and make my first half double crochet in the next stitch. So I've pulled the yarn through, and I have 3 loops on the hook, and I'm going to pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops, and I'm going to work 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way across my foundation row. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops, all the way across the row. Okay, worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Will not count as a stitch. Yarn around the hook, and here's the top of your half double crochet, and then you have another loop here, which is sort of the 3rd loop of a half double crochet. So you're just going to insert your hook under that bottom loop and complete your half double crochet. Yarn around the hook, find that 3rd loop right here, and complete the half double crochet. Yarn around the hook, there's the top of the double crochet, come down underneath into that loop and complete the half double crochet. And you're going to do that all the way across the row. And if you're not sure if you're in the right loop, just look on the other side and you should see these raised loops that look like a knitting stitch. So we're just going to continue that all the way across the row. And you can see on the other side I have that row that looks like a knit stitch. So just continue that across the row. Okay, I worked across the row. For that last stitch, just work that into that last stitch there at the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. Does not count as a stitch. Now there's the top of your half double crochet, and there's the loop below. So half double crochet in that loop below. Find that loop below, half double crochet. There's the 2, find the loop below. And again, you can check on the other side and see if you have that row of loops that looks like knitting. And you're going to work all the way across the row. And here I have worked a few rows, and there you can see that raised ridge that looks like a knit stitch, and it's going to look exactly the same on both sides. You'll have that ridge going up on your work, and you can use this stitch to make scarves or sweaters or blankets, and it's a very dense stitch, so it would be warm and cozy to make mittens or slippers. And that's how easy it is to crochet the rib half double crochet stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.